Hey, what's up? Tony from LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com, and in this quick video, I want to talk about, a little scratch repair. And most times when you get in a little bumper cover scuff, it looks worse than it is, especially if you hit one of those yellow fire hydrant posts or something and you get a lot of paint on your car. Most times it looks worse than what it really is, okay? And the quick way to make it look better is just take the paint off, all right? I've had people come to the body shop with a big scuff along the side of their car, paint all over it, looking really bad. And then I go around with some lacquer thinner and a cloth and take it all off, and they're like, wow, that doesn't look that bad. So with this right here, we basically slid into a little pole when it was ice out, and we scuffed the bumper cover up a little and took off some paint right here. So I'm going to show you what you can do as a quick and easy fix without painting it. So this is kind of like to paint or not to paint. It's the first stages of body repair, and you could think about it. You could say, all right, do I just want to, do you have it's the time and budget also. If you only have a little bit of time, a little bit of money, you just want to make it look better, then I'll show you what to do right now to do that. And later on, maybe you could paint it, or if you wanted to paint it, you got to do this stuff anyway. First thing you want to do is get a cloth, right? I have a bunch of baby clothes because I have kids. Save them, don't throw them out. Here's another question that I get. A lot of people say, well, Tony, aren't you going to damage the paint with lacquer thinner? All right, you're not going to damage paint, clear coat with lacquer thinner if you're just putting it on the rag and wiping it off. That's not going to do anything. The only way to damage your paint really is to have a whole bunch of thinner on your rag, put it on your car like that and forget about it, right? Then you're going to get all bubbling effect and it's going to melt off all your clear coat, basically, right? I've seen it happen. So doing a little bit of this right here, okay, is not gonna hurt. We'll just dab our rag like this. So we have our scuffed area here, all the paint on it, right? So you just go like this and wipe it off. Not a big deal. We'll get down here a little, right? This whole area. Look how much better that looks. Now, to make it even better, what you could do is buff it quickly. Right, put a little bit of compound on it and buff it out to bring the shine out. That's all we need for our lacquer thinner, right? Obviously, the bumper cover is dented. What we would have to do is get a heat gun, heat this area up, push it down, scuff it up a little and put some body filler on it to fix it correctly, and then we would do our base coat and clear coat and paint the whole bumper cover. All right, you could probably blend it in the middle of the bumper cover, or if you wanted to just fix all the rock chips in the front of the car anyway, basically, blend and clear coat the whole bumper cover. Then it'll look like a brand new bumper. But with this, we're not going to worry about it right now. That's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you how to quickly take this off with some thinner. And I have some silver base coat here, okay? It's not the exact color match, but I'm gonna put it on anyway just to get rid of this black scuff mark at the bottom where we took off our paint, just to show you that it could look a lot better by doing that alone. Okay, so I wanted to also let you know that this can be done with auto body, fully done. Basically get the heat gun, push down the high area, scuff it up with some 80 grit, and finish it off with 2K primer, shape it. All that stuff we show you step by step within the VIP course, and much more. If you want to learn complete auto body repair and painting, don't forget to check out LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com to get your free 85-page auto body manual and 90-minute auto body and paint DVD. Like I said, this is just a quick fix, something you want to do to make the car look better, without doing much work. Wiping the paint off, doing a little bit of buffing, throwing some extra paint, a little bit of silver, whatever you have laying around to make it look, not bad. Alright, so thanks for watching the video, and we will continue. Alright, now like I said, this is not the correct color, but we'll see how it looks, just as a test. So I'm just going to go like that. We'll just dab a little bit of silver on it. And that's pretty much it. You can see how much better it looks. We took off our white scuff mark here with some thinner. We put a little bit of silver base on that black spot down there. It's not a perfect match, but hey, you don't see it anymore, you know? It looks a lot better. All right, and like I said, that's just a quick fix. You could just do that and run around with the car now. Of course, you fix that with body and paint, you know? A little bit of body work, a heat gun, and you're all good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick fix, you know? It's not always necessary that you have to go, you know, getting a whole body work job done and painting it. This took me literally 5 minutes to wipe off the paint, put some silver base on there as a touch-up, and that's it. You know, there's a little scratch here which probably can be buffed out. And the next step, if you really wanted to get the shine back in this area, is put a little compound on it and just buff this area out with a buffing pad. You know, we could show you how to do that, but we also show you all of these things within the VIP course, plus much more. So if you're interested, check out learnautobodyandpaint.com to learn more. Go ahead and get a free 85-page manual that we're giving away, as well as a 90-minute auto body and paint DVD. Just pay for shipping and tell me where to send it. All right, so again, it's Tony from learnautobodyandpaint.com. Thanks for watching this quick video. Like it, share it. If you're on YouTube, click the link below to go over to learnautobodyandpaint.com to learn more on how you can fix all kinds of projects that you're working on. You know, if you want to put a body kit on it, do some custom painting, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you around. Have a great day. Bye-bye.